Professor Buzz kicks off class with one big idea: inertia and why it matters. He explains that things keep doing what they're doing until a force steps in. First rule: when something is resting, it will stay that way without a push. Then he adds a tiny force, and the lesson turns from stillness into motion. Once moving, it keeps going the same way unless another force interferes. But friction shows up fast, stealing speed and making the ride feel heavy. He imagines nearly no friction, where motion can last far longer than expected. When the board stops suddenly, her body keeps going, proving inertia the hard way. Next, he shows why sudden motion changes cause lurches, while gentle ones behave. So the rule is simple: without a force, motion and rest don't change at all.